Are you a blogger looking for practical steps to create an outstanding WordPress website? Whether you're starting fresh or enhancing your existing site, this guide will provide essential website tutorials with expert recommendations. Let's elevate your site with these 7+ powerful tips that are easy to implement and tailored for success. Every exceptional website begins with dependable hosting. Bloggers, this is your website's backbone. Prioritize hosting providers like SiteGround, Kinsta, or WP Engine for excellent speed, top-notch security, and 99% uptime. A sluggish site can turn away visitors, impacting not only your bounce rate but also your blog's credibility. Don't compromise, invest in reliable hosting. Your website's design significantly impacts user experience and engagement. Opt for lightweight, fast, and responsive themes like Astra, GeneratePress, or Kadence. As a blogger, you need your site to load quickly and look great on all devices. Avoid themes that come overloaded with unnecessary features, they'll only slow you down. Think simplicity paired with functionality. Speed is critical for user retention and SEO. Use high-performing caching plugins like WP Rocket or LiteSpeed Cache to enhance your website's load times. For bloggers working with visuals, compress images using tools like Smush or ShortPixel. Also, enable lazy loading to ensure images load only when they come into a viewer's field of vision. A faster site means happier readers. Plugins are a blogger's best friend. However, don't clutter your site with unnecessary ones. Focus on must-haves. Elementor or Gutenberg, perfect for designing stunning blog layouts. Rank Math or Yoast SEO, optimize every blog post for search engines. WP Forms, add user-friendly contact forms so readers can reach you easily. Updraft Plus, protect your work with automatic backups. Choose wisely, each plugin should add meaningful functionality without slowing your site down. As a blogger, your website represents your voice and style, protect it. Use security plugins like Wordfence to keep cyber threats at bay. Enabled two-factor authentication adds a solid layer of safety. Most importantly, update your plugins and themes regularly to close any loopholes hackers might exploit. Bloggers and SEO go hand in hand. To ensure your blog gains organic reach, structure your content with SEO in mind. Use descriptive headings, optimize images with alt text, and include relevant keywords. Tools like Rank Math or Yoast SEO will guide you on best practices, from meta descriptions to readability improvements. More than half of your readers access your blog through mobile devices. Keep your site fully responsive with mobile-friendly fonts, a clean layout, and easy navigation. Use Google's mobile-friendly test to ensure your site passes with flying colors. Remember, a seamless mobile experience translates to higher retention and engagement. By implementing these actionable tips, you'll have a WordPress website that is fast, functional, and optimized for growth. Whether it's choosing the perfect hosting or making your blog mobile-friendly, every step you take will bring value to your readers. Ready to learn more? Subscribe for additional tutorials, and don't forget to comment below with your questions or insights. Your website is your digital home. Build it with care, strategy, and creativity.